get to why you're here. It's an inventory unboxing. I love watching these kind of videos as an entrepreneur. I don't know why, but it's just like a guilty pleasure. Hello, we are back for a second round of new inventory unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed our first video of our new entrepreneur series. Also, I just recently posted a video on like how I do my basic makeup look. So if you guys are interested, it's kind of basically how I get this look. Please be sure to check that out. And also today, if you're interested in any of my accessories, this is C-Lux we rocking. I got on some of our bangles, our Carmen and Maryland bangles, our hoops, and our necklaces. Oh my gosh, let me show y'all these. These are so beautiful, and I love to like layer them. So I'm wearing Fearless and Faith, Hope, and Love. It's so good, especially for like this time that we're going through with the pandemic and everything. These are great gifts if you're just like wanting to give someone something to encourage them or whatever. These will be really good. So be sure to check our site out. But anywho, oh, period. And pause, because my lips are dry. Woo, my lips are dry. I love this gloss. This one right here is Passion. It's a light peach. It's a peach with like the shimmer in it. Not glitter, but just the shimmer. She is everything, okay? Oh, and I'm also wearing some of our absolute fan favorite lashes. These are Princess. These are probably like our most, what do you call it? Like our most wearable ones, as far as like not 25 millimeter. Oh, and my highlight is Angelic, which we also sell. So anywho, if you're interested in any of what you see me dripping in and my ring, okay, be sure to check out our site. I'll have links to all that in the down bar. But anywho, let's get to why you're here. It's an inventory unboxing. I love watching these kind of videos as an entrepreneur. I don't know why, but it's just like a guilty pleasure. So a lot of stuff I'm unboxing today is going to be from Amazon. I have something from Target, and also my order from TKB Trading finally came in. Oh, hold up. So you remember on my last unboxing video, how I showed y'all how I just ordered new inventory from my vendor. So I got my liquid lipsticks, my brow kit, and lash glue. So mind you, in the video, I had said like, oh, should I go in here and pull out all the stuff? Well, I should have, because come to find out, my lash glue was not in there, nor was my brow gel in there. I was so freaking upset. So I contacted my vendor, who's been having some issues. But anywho, she just ended up refunding me my money. And I was just so upset because I was waiting for that stuff for so long. And I understand what's going on. It's like, girl, have some patience. But I'm also trying to run a business at the same time. So, of course, you're going to get frustrated when, you know, you've spent money, you set deadlines and stuff for things that you want to do and how you want to run your business and, you know, put out new things and whatever. It was super frustrating. But I'm kind of low-key glad the glue didn't come, because the glue that I tested and the glue that they sent me was total trash, okay? So I was actually going to have her replace those with something else. But anywho, she just ended up refunding me my money, so it was cool. And I did still have some clear brow gel from my first order, so I do still have some to be able to do some kits. I just won't be able to do as many, but I definitely still will have those available. So please be sure to stay tuned for that, okay? So let's get into the purpose of this video. I'm so sorry, y'all. So, okay, here's our first one from Amazon, and I didn't even need my scissors because I had the rip. This is, oh, okay. This is just more of our 1 ounce jars for something special I have coming up. I'm so excited. I'm going to take y'all with me when I do that. So Okay, this one is also from Amazon. Let's just cut all this stuff open. Yeah! Wait. So this is for something new we have coming out with our skincare line. So this is going to be our lip scrub jars. I had originally ordered the ones that were completely clear. And then I was like, I'm going to have to step my game up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to have a certain aesthetic to my brand that feels like luxurious and it doesn't feel like I cut corners. Now, granted, there will be things that you have to because you have to start somewhere. There was some other ones that I really wanted, but they had these, so I just went on ahead and went with these. So I'm excited about these, and these are larger jars. I do see a lot of girls that do the lip scrub, but it'd be like those little, it appears to be, because everyone doesn't put their ounces on their site, so you don't really know how much you're getting. And then sometimes the picture would be so close, the item looks so large, and then you get in the mail, you'd be like, really? Really? But anyway, I just wanted to make sure that I offer my offer my customers a little bit of an upscale look, especially for this skincare line. I'm trying to, you know, take it up a notch. There are some other things that I really wanted that they just don't have and it's so out, but whatever. Finally, my TKB trading order came in. Not to mention, everything was completely sold out. Completely sold out. You heard me. Completely. So I got a couple pigments for some colors I want to try and add. I got a couple lip liquids and just a few bags of Versagel. So I'm excited about that. I have some new ideas on glosses coming very soon. Okay, what's next? This is also from Amazon. Let's get her open. Big old bag. Oh, my confetti. Yes. So I know that I've seen a lot of girls do, and this is like hardly nothing, but I'm sure a little will go a long way. But I see a lot of girls do the, oh, what's this? Oh, this is another, essential oil for something else I got cooking in the kitchen. But anyway, I see a lot of girls do the stringy stuff like in their packages. Like they'll send you bubble mailer with the loose stuff, and I'm like, I don't really want to. That, I mean, this is gonna be a mess too. But actually, this is for a different packaging idea that I have, which is here, so I'm going to show you. But I don't like the idea of having that loose, stringy stuff just because I ordered lip gloss. Like, I get it, and I am not mad at anybody who is trying to be unique and creative and give their customers an experience, because that's what you want to do as a brand. You know what I mean? You want your customers to feel some kind of way when their package is coming. They're anticipating it, and then they receive it, and it's just like a whole party. I'm here for it. But I just wanted to kind of take a slightly different approach because everybody is kind of doing the same thing, which is cool. Everybody out here trying to do their own thing. It's a market for everybody. You know what I'm saying? So keep doing you, boo-boo. Keep doing you. So anywho, I just went with these for, I'm going to show y'all. Let's keep moving. I'm just rambling. I hope y'all not fast forwarding. Like, can she please just get to it? Okay, this is another one from Amazon. Oh, what's this? Oh. 1 ounce? Okay, I did order these. Oh, so you remember in my last inventory unboxing, I had showed you guys the 1/2 ounce jars that I bought, which were rather small. And I wasn't sure that I really wanted to go that teensy tiny. So I just ordered some 1 ounce jars just to be on the safe side. And this is a different company than that one that I'm sure a lot of you guys, or a lot of us, should I say, use, which is like Plex something. But they were like sold out. So I just got me another pack of 1 ounce jars because I want to offer my customers a little bit more than that ½ ounce. I don't know. I might find something to use it for, but as of now, I'm not using it for what I thought that I would. Okay, moving right along. Another one from Amazon. Oh, labels. Hey, do you guys want me to do a video showing you like what labels I use and how I use them for certain packaging? Because I love these Avery labels. They come in very, 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 very handy when you're trying to do your own branding for your business. I mean, like I said, we all got to start somewhere. Sorry, my dog is barking. But everybody can't necessarily afford to order enough pieces to have their items customized. So you got to make it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? So we got to start somewhere. But if you guys are interested, I can show you all the labels I have and what I most like to use them for with my cosmetics and accessories, okay? Moving along. Okay, so this is the other packaging I was telling you guys about. I'm super stoked about these, so can't wait to show you guys. Okay, so here it is. It doesn't look like it comes with the instructions on how to fold it, so I guess we gotta like figure it out. It doesn't appear to be too complicated. Maybe this goes like this. Hold up. It's gotta go, right? Okay. Oh, it's pretty self-explanatory. Oh, is it gonna be deep enough? Oh, it might not be deep enough. Okay, so here it is. The width is, it's not gonna work. That's the main reason why I bought these. I measured this. Okay, so looks like I'm gonna have to order different boxes because the reason why I bought this is totally not gonna work. Anywho, but I can use them for something else. So they're not gonna work for my original plan, but they're definitely big enough that like your labels will go on them. They're just the depth is not what I need. But anywho, I'm still gonna use them, so be on the lookout for those. And then lastly, my Target box. I cannot even tell y'all how long I waited for this box to come in. OMG. I was tracking it. It said it was delivered. It wasn't delivered. I called Target. I'm so excited. My blender. I'm so excited about this. So I will be using this to be making some of my skincare products. I'm super stoked. So I was gonna say I missed the bag. So I guess that was pretty much it, guys, for this inventory unboxing. Please be sure to stay tuned for more videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you have any any suggestions or things that you guys want me to talk about with business, be it makeup artistry or my cosmetics and accessories, please be sure to comment down below and I'll be sure to get those videos to you. And guys, I'm telling you, if you are interested in any of these accessories, please be sure to check it out and support your girl. And hey, comment your business down below because I would love to support you guys too, okay? So anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. And always know that I love you and God loves you so much more.